Are you running your contracting business with QuickBooks? Are you using a bunch of clunky add-on Band-Aid type programs to fill in the gaps that QuickBooks can't fill in for you? Well, you're in luck. Total Office Manager from Aptora was built for QuickBooks users. In fact, if you know how to use QuickBooks, then you know how to use perhaps 80% of Total Office Manager. We patterned ourselves after QuickBooks. What's more is we built the software from the ground up to migrate your QuickBooks data. And I don't mean just list data like your chart of accounts, your customers, your vendors. I'm talking about your QuickBooks financial transactions. We will migrate your invoices, your bills, estimates, inventory history, item receipts, purchase orders, adjusting journal entries, even your payroll is migrated. In fact, when you print an income statement from QuickBooks and you print an income statement from Total Office Manager, they will be an exact match. You'll be able to give up QuickBooks and run your company with one unified software program, one tech support number, one all-knowing database. That's Total Office Manager from Aptora. What are some of the things that you can do with Total Office Manager that you might wish QuickBooks could do? Performance-based compensation. It is easy to pay spiffs, bonuses, sales commissions based on certain activity that you set up. You can create service agreements, renew service agreements, and manage all of your company's valuable service agreement sales activity. AIA billing is built in to the software. I'm sure you would agree, managing the field is essential to your company's success. Getting work orders to your technicians and having them clock in, clock out, create invoices, collect money, and more is essential, and we make that easy with our field service app. It is completely built into our platform. The app and the desktop program are connected to the same database in real time. You don't have to worry about synchronizations, third-party add-ins, one phone number to call if you need training and support. It is truly one complete software solution for your field service company. What are you waiting for? Please give us a call, or send us a message, or send us an email. We look forward to talking to you. We can give you a quick demonstration of our product, 10, 15 minutes, or we can take as long as you want. But give us a call today.